Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can download any one Facebook story in your gallery. There are two possible methods to do this. Number 1. Instant download by Chrome. It is normal quality, no app needed. Number 2. High quality story download by app. At first, open your Chrome browser. Go to facebook.com and log into it. Click the story that you want to download. Next, hold and press the story video. After that, click download video. Your download will be started. Let's start method 2. At first, open your Play Store. Download Story Saver for Facebook application. Download link in description. After that, click login, enter your details and login into it. This page will appear. Now click any story to download. You may download any specific story by pasting the link here. Just copy any story link from Facebook like this. Thanks guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share this and thanks for watching.